Welcome to week 3. Good evening, everyone. Hope you're having a good weekend. We have now concluded 2 whole weeks of classes. In the summer 8-week session, this is the equivalent of 1/4 of the course or 1 month of the entire class in a regular semester. Hope you're enjoying the weekend. Here's what's coming up this week. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here's where you'll see the topics being covered this week. 2 new chapters or the equivalent to 2 more weeks of work. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities, assignments, or exams. You can also find reminders of when assignments are due on the calendar of Canvas. Here's a summary of what is due this week. World Geography News number 2, due Saturday, July 6 by 11:59 p.m. Please put an assignment in the discussion board of Canvas. There's also a link in the week 3 module of Canvas. Take some time to read the instructions for both the assignment as well as the submission procedures. The discussion will be available by Wednesday, July 3rd, or perhaps as early as tomorrow, so you may get started on it before the holiday. I've graded the news discussion number 1, and most of you did very well. Just make sure and remember that the second paragraph is about linking the news articles with the regions of the world we are talking about in class. Map quiz number 2, Middle East and North Africa and Sub-Saharan Africa, will become available by Wednesday, July 3rd, or perhaps earlier, and is due on Canvas Saturday, June 29th by 11:59 p.m. Please read the lectures carefully and submit it according to the submission guidelines. Additional points. Make sure and read the assigned chapters in your textbook as well. Make sure and review the PowerPoint lectures. I've included an instructional video for each of the lectures. The videos are from a slightly different version of the textbook, but the topics, themes, and content for each of the chapters are exactly the same, so they will still work. A friendly reminder that in an online course, you need to be logging in on Canvas on a regular basis, preferably daily. If you're not logging in on Canvas, it means that you're not attending class. In a regular face-to-face course, you may be dropped from the course if you're not attending class. The same applies to this on an online course. I already dropped some students who don't log into the course. Please don't be the next one. I started to grade your reflections and likely to find them in the next couple of days. I've also just posted a Word document with some key concepts for chapters 6 to 9, so I'm going to start working on these. Start doing Canvas Friday, July 12 by 11:59 p.m. Most of you did what you were supposed to do. Just define the terms. The few that did not forgot that the 5 chapters have to be submitted together. A few people are missing assignments and or are not active in the class. Remember that you can always submit or resubmit assignments, but you will lose points if submitted after the deadline. Have a nice evening and see you online.